gonna keep it low. Now, if you wanna go.
This looks naughty. So good. Holy moly. I can't stop. Sunny day outside, smoky burger, delicious sauce on top. Speaking my mouthful again, mummy will be angry. Sun's out, guns out, it's time for my epic burger sauce. It's burger season, it's barbecue time, the summer is here, let's go. You need this sauce on your burgers. Okay, if you want to skip straight to the recipe, the timestamp is here. Right, get a really sharp knife, this is really important, and you can test it like this. Then we take one onion, we're going to cut it in half, peel it, and then we need the nut at the top as we make our incisions. This holds the onion together. To make 2 incisions like this, across the onion, make sure the nut is at the top, hold the onion together and finely slice it. Don't go all the way through, you want to keep the nut at the top, that's going to hold it together like that. Then we're going to turn the onion round and just flip the board round so you can see it better. Tiger grip on the onion, finely slice it, and this is how you get finely diced onions. Put your hand on the knife like this, roll the knife to get some finely diced. You can also do it to garlic, you can score it across like this, just like we did with the onion, and then speed chop it across, and we're going to add this to our onions. Next, we're going to take some pickles, sliced pickles, and we're going to slice those, and now we're going to dice them just like the onions and the garlic, and add those together. You want the same size dice, nice and square. Cut it across like that, and we just add that to the onions and the garlic. Okay, we're going to mix them together in a bowl. Take 4 tablespoons of Hellmann's mayonnaise or homemade mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of pickling juice. Now we're going to mix that together. Now we're going to add all the chunky ingredients, the onions, pickles and garlic. And we're going to mix those together again to give us our burger sauce. Always season, garlic salt, freshly ground pepper, mix again. Okay, let's build that juicy burger. Okay, really important, butter the bun. It's going to give it flavour and stop it getting soggy. Add the burger sauce and spread it all the way to the edges so you get a bite of burger and sauce at the same time at every bite. Add the finely chopped lettuce. You can see the video for chopping lettuce above now. Add your burger. I've added red lettuce to this because it's a banging cheese. Okay, I'm topping this burger English style with some pickled onions and home pickled cucumbers. The recipe for this is coming soon. Add some more sauce to the top of the bun, this way you're getting a double hit, double whammy. A little bit of sauce on there, because why not, it's so delicious. I mean, look at that. Pop the top on, that's food porn, look at that, it's delicious. Okay, here we go. That's what you want on your burger this barbecue season. Oh yeah. Recipe down below, in the comments, try it. Thank you so much for watching. That was my epic burger sauce. If you give it a go, drop some comments down below. Let me know how you got on with that. I'd love to hear from you. Any questions, please put them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, click the little bell, ping, if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. The next video is going to be my granddad's pickled cucumbers. They're the ones I just put on the burger. They taste great. They taste of summer. Cucumbers are grown in a greenhouse, so I'm going to go pick them fresh, get them pickling. See you next time. Watch this next video. Take care now. Thank you for watching. That's Gary's Kitchen out. Happy cooking. Give green. Good. The pickled cucumbers that you just saw in that burger, little childhood flashbacks to me, because my little childhood flashbacks. Monsieur, c'est bon. C'est très bon. C'est magnifique.
Papa, what you saying?